Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to fix the frustrating issue of Chrome download failures due to network errors. If you've ever encountered this problem, don't worry, because we're here to help. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to resolve this issue. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this by double-clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop, or by searching for Google Chrome in the Start menu. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the window and click on the Downloads icon. This will take you to the Downloads page where you can see all your recent downloads. Step 3. Find the download that failed due to a network error. Right-click on it and select Copy Download Link. This will copy the URL of the download to your clipboard. Step 4. Now, let's open a new incognito window to continue the troubleshooting process. To do this, click on the More menu icon in the top right corner of the Chrome window. From the drop-down menu, select New Incognito Window. This will open a new window where you can browse privately. Step 5. In the New Incognito window, right-click on the address bar and select Paste. This will paste the download link that you copied earlier. Press Enter to start the download again, and there you have it. You have successfully fixed the issue of Chrome download failures due to network errors. By using the incognito window, you bypass any potential network-related issues that might have caused the download to fail. We hope you found this guide helpful in resolving the issue. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching and have a great day.